You never did tell me how to turn on all the lights and aircon just like that.
Oh, it's really simple actually. I can control all the lights, aircon and even TV using the Schneider Electric Wiser app. I bought this package from Schneider Electric and installed it not too long ago. I can even control our TV using the app.
Wow, is this only for the living room and kitchen? Are there any other packages for the bedroom as well?
Of course, my dear. The one that I've bought and installed for our kitchen and our living room is actually called the DIY package, which is actually really easy to install and comes with so many other add-ons too. Don't worry, we can go through the many packages later. But for now, let's watch a movie together. Hey Siri, movie time!